What's the meaning of anglomania? Anglomania. 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 Anglomania.
Anglomania refers to a strong admiration or obsession with English culture, customs, and traditions. It may manifest in various ways, such as learning the language, consuming English literature and media, and adopting English fashion and lifestyle trends. This phenomenon has historically been observed among individuals and populations outside of England, particularly in the 18th and 19th centuries. Today, it continues to impact popular culture and influences global perceptions of English identity and influence.